For line drawings with dirty backgrounds, it is recommended to scan using adaptive monochrome to clean up the scan. Choose Adaptive Threshold and scan the document. Zoom into a section for clearer viewing of changes. In the section called Levels, make changes to the white and black points. This cleans up the lines by changing what the software sees as black and white. Use despeckle to clear up dot clusters. When the image is cleaned up, update to apply the changes. Zoom into a different area to make more adjustments to the image, if required.